The Garmin Descent Mk2s have a buttload of features and functionality. An easy-to-read 1.2-inch color transflective precision display, visible under sunlight and under. So buckle up, we're going in. Now, we are going to show you these new functions. XC Ski Dynamics. When paired with HRM Pro Chest Strap, the ski power help measure the actual exercise load of cross-country workouts. MTB Dynamics. Track the details of every ride with mountain biking metrics plus specialized grit and flow measurements that rate trail difficulty and how smoothly you descend, giving you a score to beat next time. Surf-ready features. Use the Surfline Sessions app on a compatible smartphone with your paired Descent Mk2s dive computer to create a video of every wave you ride in front of your Surfline camera. Watch the video later to see how you did. Trail Run VO2 Max. Trail Run VO2 Max estimates the cardiovascular fitness level of trail runner by adjusting based on the varying trail and terrain conditions that can affect run performance. Recovery Advisor. Giving your body time to recover between training sessions is crucial. After each workout, the built-in Recovery Advisor will let you know how long to rest before another big effort. Daily Suggested Workouts. For training guidance that takes you and your fitness level into account, get daily run and ride suggestions based on your current training load and status. Here we are, you're ready to go for both your world. Please go to support.garmin.com.